We will also eat there. The food, it's really good. I remember it, yeah. And their price is pretty good. So let's...
Not sponsored.
No, not sponsor, yeah. Sponsor us if you want to. So...
I'm pretty hungry.
Yeah, I'm also pretty hungry.
You want to go in?
It's 3 p.m. We didn't eat lunch, so...
We don't eat a lot.
Yeah. We are gonna go in right now. We're gonna film here and there. So, let's go.
Let's go. You guys want a TV?
They're on sale clearance. Look, 600 for 85-inch. Look at the price. 89 cents, $1, $1, $2.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. What are we getting? Pizza?
Pretzel, pizza, and hot dogs. Not on
More
the
hot
menu.
dogs?
I always want hot dogs too.
Yeah, you're obsessed with the hot dogs.
You want this cheese pizza? This cheese pizza?
Yeah.
The cheese pizza?
You want a drink with that?
No. And there's cinnamon pretzel.
Let's get Pepsi unless you want something different. Okay.
This chocolate frozen yogurt is actually just $1 from Tim Club, and this pizza is like basically 2 slices.
Yeah.
And that's also $1. And my hot dog,
Their hot dogs are thick.
thick, yeah, that's how I like it, you know. Jillian, no. I'm kidding. And then the cinnamon pretzel, I think it's also $1. It might be 89 cents actually.
Yep. I'm gonna try the pizza.
Get ketchup. I forgot. What's the hot dog without ketchup?
What's a hot dog without ketchup? I don't know. Ready? This is really good pizza, you guys. What was it, like $1?
It's like $1.50, I guess, $1. And then the hot dog is all 50 with the drink because the drink itself is 50 cents. I'm just dipping the pizza. You guys know sometimes the school pizza is pretty oily too. You do the same.
This is also really good. I've never tried their chocolate before.
I still say though,
Oh,
you okay?
Yeah.
Freeze.
tooth freeze actually.
Tooth freeze.
Yeah.
I will say,
You want a bite?
sure. You want some hot
So
dog? That's how I like it. Thick, nice and drizzled.
Go ahead. That was gay.
We had their pizza pretzel last time, but not the cinnamon pretzel. So, quick bite.
Just to be clear, he said pizza pretzel. There are pretzels that are like pizzas here. It's like a pizza, but it's a pretzel.
It's just they just put like cheese on top. That's it.
Yeah. Am I trying it first?
Yeah, go ahead.
That's good. It's like salty and sweet. Here, you want to try?
It's really good.
How's your hot dog?
Almost gone.
Almost gone already?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's really good. It's nice and juicy on the inside too. So, and it's firm. It kind of like it's a bit bouncy, so it kind of breaks apart as you bite into it, and the juice like seeps out, explode in your mouth. how I like it.
Shut up.
So I had some lost footage as I was editing. Final verdict. The overall cost was $5.92. I'll say that's pretty good for 2 people with hot dog, pizza, pretzel, drinks, and chocolate, frozen yogurt. So if you guys are interested about what places you can find that is pretty good value for 2 people to eat, please let me know if you want more of this kind of content, and also drop down below. Maybe you know better place than this place. Maybe me and Joe can check it out next time. Love you all. That'll be it for now. See you in the next one.